What's up, you guys? It's Steve here, and if you missed your opportunity to go to the moon with GameStop and AMC, well, it looks like you might be getting your second chance, as what we're hearing is Wall Street Bets, they're at it again. They've got their new short squeeze underway, and it is none other than ticker symbol MVIS, Microvision. And you can see here from WEBULL today, it was reported that this stock alone in the last 24 hours has gone up 47%. So those Wall Street Bet investors, they are buying this stock, they're holding it, and they are squeezing those that are shorting it. Now, in addition to that, we're seeing articles pop up like this today. Take a look. Why Microvision stock skyrocketed today, and they cover all the details. So I'm going to be covering this, and also we're seeing that cryptocurrencies, they're bouncing back as well. As you know, they've been falling, and now we're seeing BTC and other cryptocurrencies follow suit on going back up again. Now, this is all happening right before we're expecting to hear President Joe Biden announce that they're going to be significantly increasing taxes to pay for the next stimulus package. Now, what we're hearing is they're calling to double capital gains tax. Now, if that happens, that could spark a significant sell-off in the stock market, as investors are not going to want to pay double the taxes on their gains, so they'll probably want to sell before this is implemented. Now, in addition to that, we're also hearing that in the next 2 weeks, we're going to be getting a lot of earning calls coming in from different companies. So there's going to be a lot of movement happening in the next few days in the stock market, and I'm going to get you caught up on the latest as of today, April 26th, 2021. But before we dive in, if you could do me a quick favor, just takes a second. Don't forget to squeeze that like button. It helps out the channel. Leave your comments. Also come and join the Ram fam. Stay up to date on stocks, investing, anything having to do with money. Hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3. Join the Patreon group to see what trades I'm doing. And you guys, let's go ahead and get you caught up as to what's going on. Let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so first up, let's take a look at this MVIS Microvision stock and what's going on with Wall Street Bets. So link in the description below to this article that just came out today that says, what happened? Shares of Microvision, NASDAQ ticker symbol MVIS, surged on Monday after traders on social media sites identified the stock as a potential short squeeze candidate. As of 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, the laser scanning company's stock price was up more than 25%, and we saw it actually finished around 47%. So what? So Microvision has become a favorite stock among the 9.9 million members of Reddit's Wall Street Bets group. So that's about 10 million people backing this stock. And it says with nearly 20% of the company's shares held short, traders are attempting to coordinate their purchase on social media sites in hopes of igniting a short squeeze. Just like we saw before with GameStop and AMC, they're buying, they're holding, they're hurting those that are shorting, and this stock is soaring up. And you can see Microvision stock price has soared in recent days. And it says, by driving up the price of Microvision shares, these traders hope to force short sellers to exit their positions. To do so, short sellers would have to buy back the shares they shorted. This forced buying can accelerate an upward move in a heavy shorted stocks price. This dynamic is likely contributing to the greater than 100% rally in Microvision shares over just the past week. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Is this tempting to you to hop on this new short squeeze? Now, as you guys will recall, we saw this before with GameStop. Take a look here. You can see where the short squeeze happened. It shot up incredibly, significantly, or pretty much overnight, and then we saw it come crashing back down. So would you want to try to hop on it as it shoots up, or are you afraid that you might catch it while it's coming back down? But as you can see, it actually shot back up again, and it's still significantly up as Wall Street Bets is holding onto that GameStop stop. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Are you considering jumping onto this new MVIS trend? But let's continue reading now. The article says, now what? Microvision bulls have touted that its scanning and sensor technology and its potential applications in fast-growing markets such as augmented reality and self-driving vehicles. Microvision is also rumored to be a possible takeover target for larger technology companies as well. Now, the bears, however, they claim that Microvision stock has risen to levels that are unsupported by its current financial metrics and near-term growth prospects. Thus, they claim its share price is poised to fall. And of course, if a short squeeze is underway, it is very likely going to fall afterward, but we'll see if it bounces back up, similar to what we saw with GameStop. Let me know your thoughts. Also, investors will soon have more information to factor into their views of this battleground stock. Microvision is slated to report its first quarter results after the market closes on April 29th. So that's just going to be in a couple days. We'll see what happens with that. So once again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Are you tempted to go buy some MVIC, or have you already? Are you a part of the short squeeze that is currently underway? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Now, in addition to that, we're also seeing cryptocurrencies bounce back as well. As you guys know, over the past couple days, we've been seeing it fall. We saw Bitcoin fall significantly. It went under 50,000 down into the high 40,000s per coin. And then now today, it's already bounced back. And we're seeing that at the time of this recording, it is at 53,000 per coin. And we've seen other cryptocurrencies follow suit as well. One of the ones that, as you guys know, I'm following right now is Cardano ADA. And we saw that one as well drop down to around $1 a coin. And now it's back up as well at $1.20 per coin. And a lot of people are speculating that we have hit the 4-year cycle point where we're going to be seeing cryptocurrencies drop significantly. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you think that this is going to continue to fall? Have we hit that point in the cycle? We also have a lot of people speculating that according to their calculations that we are simply going to bounce back up. We have hit the bottom of this dip, and now we're going to see Bitcoin go up to as much as $100,000 per coin. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Are you buying because you think it's going up to 100,000, or are you selling because you think it's going to drop, or are you just holding long term because long term you feel like this is going to be a good investment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Now, as I mentioned, also, there's going to be a lot of earning calls coming out over the course of the next 2 weeks. Now, we're going to be diving into an article that just came out that's going to be discussing some of this. But before we do, if you want to hear the latest about the tax hikes that are going to be proposed that could be negatively impacting the market this week, be sure to check out this video right here where I cover the details for you. I let you know all of the tax hikes that they're proposing that are going to be included in this next stimulus package to help pay for all of this stimulus rolling out. Once again, check out that video. I covered in detail, but essentially for capital gains, it's pretty much almost double. But now let's go ahead and dive into this article and take a look at some of the earning calls that are going to be unfolding over the course of the next 2 weeks. So, link in the description below to this article that just came out today that says, don't get bogged down in the earnings bonanza. And it says, buckle down. The next 2 weeks of earning announcements are going to dominate the headlines and influence a lot of movement that we see in the markets. Now, often earnings are isolated influencers or maybe sector influential, but we have so many names reporting in the next 2 weeks and all of the big names that it will be impossible for the pin action not to impact all of these names. And you can see right here, all of the ones that are listed in here, we have Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Visa, Advanced Micro Devices, Starbucks, Pinterest. All of these are going to be coming up here very soon. And this article also lets us know that right now, the Amazon stock, it could be looking at a potential split. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. There's a lot unfolding in the stock market and cryptocurrencies, what's going on with Congress. This is all impacting our economy right now. And you guys know that I'll be sure to keep you up to date here on the channel. And once again, if you like and appreciate these, don't forget to smash the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you staying out of it altogether? What do you got going on? And also, if this is your first time here and you want to stay up to date on all these topics, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3. Consider joining the Patreon group to get exclusive access to me. Also, remember that you can get 2 free stocks, link in the description below when you download the WEBULL app. Get some free crypto when you download the Coinbase app. And that's all I can think of right now. Keep an eye out for those pesky scammers. Remember, my comments always have gray stripes. And other than that, you guys, I hope this reaches you well. I'll be sure to keep you up to date. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.